Hello and welcome to Creative ABC TV. It's me, Big Z, but you can call me Zach, and I'm here with King Max and Double Z Mama, and we're on a family field trip to 走馬瀨. So come on with us, and let's have an adventure checking out this farm. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, what's up, buddy? Yeah, we call that a fountain. Can you say fountain? Fountain. Want to go swimming? Want to go swimming? Okay, let's go swimming. Whoa. If we look over here, these boxes are very special boxes. They hold a lot of bees in them. They have these special boxes for the bees so they can make honey. Do you like to eat honey? Maxwell, what are you drinking there? Is that a honey lemon? Max got himself a honey lemon. King Max, what is that? What is that? Ooh, probably shouldn't touch it. That's a mushroom. Can you say mushroom? Mushroom? Hey everyone, Teacher Zach's gonna try some archery, bow and arrow. What about you, Max? Okay. Let's go check out the Mango Pavilion, my son. Bobby, what's that say?
It's closed.
Let's get out of here. Maxwell, what's that? Don't you pull that off. It's not ready. Do you know what that is? Mango. 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 Yeah, the mangoes are starting to come. Yes, sir. You got a spider on your shirt. Maxwell, what is that? What is that, Book? Say ostrich. Oh, look how big. Wow. That's a big bird. What's that, Max? What is that?
No.
A mole. Yeah, he goes mole. Yeah, he's a big cow. An ox. Can you say ox? Ox.
No.
Mole. Let's go see these cows down here. Hey, buddy. Toe. Look at these. Hello. Pretty cows. Goats. Look at all those goats. It's a hot day for the goats. What are those, Max? Tell me, how is the weather today? How's the food here? Max, what in the world is that? Look at that right there. Hello. Do you subscribe to ABC TV? Do you subscribe to ABC TV? Creative ABC TV? Goodness gracious. Hey everyone, we're heading back to the car now. It's a little hot and Max is a little sleepy, so we're gonna drive around and see some cool sights around the farm. Come on. Shoo! What a super fun family trip that was. We had a really good time. Max, what did you think about today? Speechless. We saw all kinds of animals. We got to get out in nature. We saw the bee houses. We saw so many cool things. And we hope you enjoyed seeing them with us too. Make sure to subscribe to Creative ABC TV. And we will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.